How to connect Zapier to Base44. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Zapier to your Base44. Now, first go ahead and open Base44 into your device and then go ahead and sign into your account and then go to your project integrations tab. So under the integrations, look for Zapier. And then from here, you'll be able to find this use this integration button. So you'll be able to connect your Zapier account to your Base44 account if you have upgraded your account into a builder tier, or if you had updated your Base44 account, go ahead and copy the webhook URL or API point for your app on Base44, and then head back to Zapier, and then in here click on create a zap and then choose a trigger application. So in here, go ahead and select trigger, head over to apps and look for Base44, and then select Base44 on the result. So you need to go ahead and select the trigger event and the account. So you need to sign into your Base44 account. So connect a new account to be able to create a zap on Zapier. So in here, go ahead and look for the API key of your Base44. So head over into your user settings on Base44. Click on settings from here and then head over into account, and then from here you'll find your API key. So copy this and head back to Zapier and then paste that API key into the section, and then click on the CS continue to Base44 account. You'll be able to create a zap once you have connected your Base44 account to Zapier, and that is how you can basically connect Zapier to Base44. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.